I know. Okay. Good morning. For some reason, I'm awake on my day off. I'm gonna make an early morning trip to Lowe's, but in the meantime, I thought I would take this opportunity to tell you about the first 5 upgrades I made to my F150 Lightning, in order from shortest, easiest installation to longest, most difficult installation. Let's get started. It is this early in the morning. Nothing. There's nothing. It's darkness. Okay, but the first upgrade I'm going to tell you about is these all-weather floor mats from Ford. So my Ford Lightning XLT came with cloth floor mats, but for any of you that know, when you're doing truck stuff, you're going to want something more durable down there to catch moisture. I bought these with my Ford Pass points, so they were not expensive. They fit the truck perfectly, and they even have some nice branding on it. Worth mentioning is that in the back, you started with 2 cloth floor mats. This upgrade gives you 1 rubber floor mat that runs the whole width of the truck. So stays locked in, looks great. Okay, time to go get some coffee and I'll tell you about the next upgrade. You know you're up too early when you are the only person on the road. We are pulling into UDF at delivery o'clock. Do you know if they're open? Sir. Let me tell you about our next upgrade. So this is the Stubby Antenna from Ronin factory. Knew that I definitely did not want the full whip antenna that comes with the truck. So that's why I went with a real short, rigid, stubby antenna. Works great, looks great, would recommend. You can buy it on Amazon. Wow, that is great. Okay, off to Lowe's so I can tell you about our next upgrade. Finally, some light. While we were in Lowe's finding everything we needed, it has magically become daytime. So our next upgrade is these beautiful rough country flag holders. They mount into your truck bed. Now they are advertised as universal, but that's because they want you to drill into your truck bed. I didn't want to do that, so I came up with another solution that we're going to talk about later. This is perfect for if you want to show off your team spirit at a tailgate. Installation, once I had everything else ready, was a breeze. I think they look great. They're well made. Would recommend. Okay, next up is the Built Right Industries dash mount. Really pleased with how this turned out. Unfortunately, installation was a little harder than I had hoped. Perfect for mounting phone, camera, walkie-talkie, and you can buy this on their website. And finally, the big one. This is my F150 Lightning Unistrut installation. Really pleased with how it turned out. There are some things I would do differently if I had the chance to do it again. I'll have a separate video detailing how I installed this. There are surprisingly few videos on using Unistrut in the bed of an F-150, and I think it's because of this pesky, the contours in the bed make it difficult, but with some spacers and some attention to detail. This all started because I didn't want to drill holes into my bed for the flag mount, so this is what we ended up with. Really pleased with how it turned out. Now you've got more flexible mounting options if you want to tie something down. We got the flag poles there. If you're trying to do more with your box link mounting points, then this is an upgrade I would highly recommend. Be sure to subscribe so that you see how I installed it on my F-150 Lightning. So those are the first 5 upgrades that I chose to do on my Ford F-150 Lightning. If you choose to do one on your truck, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you're having trouble. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.